Hello and assalamu alaikum. Well, today I'm very super excited because I would like to show my village now, like some areas that you never see anymore. That's why today I in front of camera. Okay, you can see behind me, and everywhere it's the village areas. And I'm standing on the field. You can see everywhere's field and far away the party, and this is field. Here's the like farmers working and planting various type of vegetable and many things. And I love to I love to hang out basically at the afternoon time. You can see this is the boy. It's working, hard worker boy. You can see like most of the village places people, they love to work, and they are working and making money, and this is the main source to get money. And the villages people lead a very simple life with peace also, though they are hard worker. And how much they work hard, that type of heart, like soft heart they have. So this is very interesting matter. I love this thing. As I'm also belonging village, and I'm come from village, so that's why I knew from the code of heart how they lead their life, and what's the main main matter, and what's their destination, and how they make money, and everything I knew. So that's why I am just talking about this village. So by the way, so I'm walking, you can see, and now you guys understand every verse, though it's like jute, a little jute. They are like planting little jute, you can't see now, but here as you can see it's like grow up, and it will be grow up day by day. And you can see this is little pond. This pond already dying because this pond haven't like enough water. And you can see also the party, like it's called mask. And this reaching, it's a very interesting place. It's like a marvelous place. So now I'm gonna show you. Okay, so let's see. It's also called party. This party is very big party. And this party planting beside the well, like it's the pond. This pond is also beautiful. And the main theme is that, like, I gonna tell that, like, blazes areas, it's mind-blowing, full of natural beauty, and everything is become how everything is beauty. Okay, so what should I say? I don't know. So I'm just walking on the field. So that's why I thought that I should make video, because I am day by day become irregular person. So that's the main matter. Okay, so that's all for today. See you in the another video. Allah Hafiz. Bye. Okay, you can see